Hi guys, in this class we will discuss another PHP problem. This is a problem number 15 of chapter number 7. Problem statement is that write a PHP program to get a number from user. So you know that I need only one number from user, and then what I have to do, I will convert that number into English way. Like as user enter a numeric 1, this should display English 1. As user enter 2, numeric 2, then it should convert to English 2. Now it should be up to 5. Now I have to save this file in a same folder, chapter number 7. This is a problem number 15. Save this file, and then I need a HTML basic structure. This is chapter number 7, problem number 15, and then just cut these two lines in a comment. First of all, I need to get one number from user. So this is a form, HTML form using a method attribute. So method should be a get method. As you know that I need only one input field, number, and its name attribute value will be x. Another, I need a only submit button. Its name attribute value should be sub. So I need only one field that user will input a number that converted to English number. Now in a PHP tag, inside PHP tag, what I have to do? First of all, I want to say that when button is set, when button is pressed, then I have to get each and everything sub, and then I need using get variable name attribute value of that field is x, and then store in x. What is x? X is a number that need to convert to English number. So using switch statement I can do that one. This will be a parenthesis, pass that x variable, and then in case 1, for example, if x value is 1, then echo in this one. For example, after completing this case block, I need to put a break to avoid other case statement execution. So another, I need to just copy and paste. So in a second, if case second x value is 2, then I have display 2. If x value is 3, then in English I have display 3. If x value is 4, I need to display also 4. If x value is 5, then you have to display 5. So not for 6, I have to write only up to 5. Just remove this case and then write here a default. I have display message enter number from 1 to 5. So remove this break statement, open the browser and just open that folder, chapter number 7, problem number 15. For example, 4 submit, 4 is displaying, 3 is displaying, another 35 enter number from 1 to 5. So this is a problem solution that is very easy in switch statement. These problems especially for the beginners student. If you want to improve your PHP programming skill, you can get more exercise to improve your programming skill. If you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.